Your etcd tool workspace is bundled with etcd keeper that allows you to access and manage your application configuration. Settings can be stored in various formats. We will choose JSON. Each setting is stored as a so-called node. In this scenario, we will create a few settings. First, let's create a couple of settings in root directory. Second, let's create a folder node and one more setting underneath it. Now, you are ready to use the config server from your application. Alternatively, you can use our workflow etcd JSON loader to load your settings from your JSON file. In the following example, we use a sample file config.json. Using the toolbar menu item execute, locate the workflow. The workflow takes two parameters: a path to the config file and a GUID of your etcd tool workspace. The GUID can be copied from a URL link to your etcd workspace. Populate these two parameters, proceed to the tab Execute and click Execute button. Wait until the task successfully completes. You can then switch over to the etcd tool workspace. Click Refresh to confirm that the configuration has been successfully loaded.